Welcome back to the Great Walking Tours channel. It is impossible to die of hunger in Finland. Social services, shelters, cheap meals in canteens, distribution of free food and clothing. This is the daily life of the disadvantaged and poor who will never go hungry and cold. And that's very good. Finland is as beautiful as always. One of the most common forms of support in Finland is the free distribution of food and clothing by various religious and social organizations and institutions. There is a special website where you can find all the food distribution sites throughout Finland. The link to the website in the description. The website is developed and maintained by the church organization Kirkkopalvelut. Who organizes the distribution of food to the needy in Finland? First of all, religious communities of the Finnish Lutheran Church are engaged in the distribution of food. In this video, we will visit two places in Helsinki in the Myllypuro and Sörnäinen district. These are the two largest and most famous places in Helsinki. As a rule, a lot of people come there. Every time the food is completely different and you can't guess what you'll get. So it's better to come to both places on the same day. Fortunately, they work at different times. I did not take food at Sörnäinen, but I took food at Myllypuro, and at the end of the video, you will see what he gave me. We are now near the Myllypuro metro station, and here every Tuesday and Friday, from 8 to 10, there is a distribution of free food. The products are distributed by the Lutheran community. The community has its own minibuses, drivers, loaders, and people at the distribution. The cars bring unsold food or products from large supermarkets and shopping centers that are approaching their expiration date. At the same time, here in order of the queue, they distribute not only expired products or those with an expiration date close to their expiration date, but also fresh greens, yogurts, dairy and meat products, sweets, muffins, cakes and bread. There is almost always enough bread, and everyone takes as much as they need for their family. All this is free. In order of the live queue, people walk along the counters and have products put into their bags. The queue can stretch for several hours, and more than 1,000 people can visit this food distribution point in a day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting content. New video every Tuesday and Saturday. Please subscribe. Please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And if you want to explore more urban areas in Finland, Sweden, Estonia, Denmark, Norway, and other European countries, be sure to check out my next video. I couldn't take a video inside the distribution point. It would have been very suspicious. After I took the free food, I walked along the line and took a video from the side. Let's see together how the line moves and what is happening in this place. I don't have to go out for food, which I'm very happy about, but in the queue people told me that it's not the best day, and that Sörnäinen always gives out more food. You can get from Myllypuro to Sörnäinen by metro. Food distribution at Sörnäinen takes place every Wednesday and Friday from 10 to 1300 hours. The queue here is always very long, and you can stand in line for more than an hour. Let's take a look from the outside, how food distribution takes place at Sörnäinen. This time Myllypuro didn't give out much food. I got yogurt, jelly, cake and a big bag of bolognese, and also took a lot of different bread.